Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix eligibility issue on FanDuel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So, experiencing eligibility issues on FanDuel can stem various factors, including age restrictions, geographical limitations, and identity verification challenges. Now, to address these issues, what you need to do is first to verify age and location. Age requirement: ensure you meet the minimum age requirement for your jurisdiction, which is typically 18 or 21 years old. Geographical eligibility: confirm that FanDuel operates legally in your state or country. Some regions have restrictions on online gambling platforms. Number 2, address identity verification issues. Accurate information: ensure all personal details such as your name, address, date of birth, and age are entered correctly. Name variations: if your name has variations, example Christopher versus Chris, try using different version. Address formatting: use full street names instead of abbreviations like street instead of ST to match verification records. Number 3, technical troubleshooting: clear cache and cookies. Accumulated data can cause issues. Clearing your browser or app cache may resolve problems. Restart device: a simple reboot can fix minor glitches. Reinstall the app: uninstalling and reinstalling the FanDuel app can help address perceived issues. Contact FanDuel support help center: visit the FanDuel help center for resources and contact options. Customer service: reach out to FanDuel's customer service for personalized assistance. Number 5, review state-specific regulations. Deposit limits: be aware of state-specific deposit limits, as exceeding them can lead to eligibility issues. So by systematically following these steps, you can identify and resolve eligibility issues on FanDuel. If problems persist, contacting FanDuel's customer service support is advisable for further assistance. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.